Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a new video for you. In this video, I'm going to show you modern dressing table design ideas for your living room. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. If you are new here, please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share this video with your friends. Thank you. Dear viewers, when it comes to bedroom furniture, a dressing table is an essential piece that adds both functionality and style to the space. Not only does a dressing table provide a dedicated space for getting ready, but it can also serve as a decorative focal point in the room. In Pakistan, there are many options for dressing tables, from simple and functional design to luxurious and ornate pieces. But with so many options available, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's where we come in. In this video, we will explore everything you need to know about dressing tables in Pakistan, from the latest design trends to the best material and construction methods. Whether you are in the market for a simple dressers or a statement piece, we will help you find the perfect designer dressing table for your bedroom. Dear friends, when designing your bedroom, it's important to consider both functional and style. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary, a place to unwind and relax after a long day. But it should also be a reflection of your personal style and taste. One key element of bedroom design is the furniture you choose, including your dressing table. A well-designed dressing table not only serves a practical purpose, but can also enhance the overall aesthetic of your space. Dear viewers, when it comes to choosing a dressing table design in Pakistan, there are many benefits to opting for a designer piece. These include unique design. A dressing table is a statement piece that can add a touch of luxury and elegance to your bedroom. These pieces are often one of a kind, featuring unique design and high quality materials. High quality materials dressing tables are crafted from the finest materials, including solid wood, premium upholstery, and high quality hardware. This ensures that your piece will not only look beautiful but also last for years to come. Customization options. Many designer dressing tables can be customized to fit your specific needs and preferences. This may include choosing the type of wood or finish, as well as the size and styles of the piece. Dear friends, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share this video with your friends. Thank you.